welcome back to another video. We're looking at Euro Swiss right now, and on the left it's a 3-hour chart, on the right it's a 15-minute chart. The reason I want to bring this up right now is I know a lot of you guys as traders have problems where you get caught in a bad trade when everything seems to have all the right confirmations. So make sure that you're not doing this that I'm going to show you in this video to help avoid you getting into a potentially losing trade, even though when all of your indications tell you that it's a good trade. So Euro Swiss right now on the 3-hour chart, you can see we're coming off a reset, right? We've had a huge move up, which is great. So that means we're looking for buys. Now, if we look at what's happening right now on Euro Swiss on a 15-minute chart, you could see that during the US session, potentially, we could have gotten a reversal, right? Or a type 1 multi-session, right? Where you would basically have, this right here being the first leg, and then you would come back for a second leg and then go back up. Besides, on the higher time frame, you're looking for buys, right? And if we take a look at what this offers us as far as a trade setup goes in the US session, it marks a lot of the check marks that we look for an actual trade. The only reason I'm saying this is because I was literally looking at this for a potential multi-session type 1 to look for buys until I noticed something. And so I want you guys to also just pay attention to this factor that I'm going to show you so you can go ahead and learn from this. So if we look, we got the first leg here on this pair on a 15-minute chart, gave us a star pattern. We have five or more candles between the first and second leg, and we even got another star pattern here, and even a pullback to go along with it. Now here's the problem that I see with it though. You can also see the TDI is giving you divergence as well, because this is straight going across while this is actually creating higher highs on the TDI, which is divergence, which is fine, which is good, right? Now here's the problem. Okay, if we go and measure from the bottom of this reset to the very top where price action went, it's 268 pips. Okay, that may not seem a lot, but on a pair that moves on average about 60 pips, specifically on this cycle, it's a pretty big deal. Why is it? Because we've already moved 4.3 times its own ADR. So the likelihood that this is actually going to go up higher is very unlikely, because we've already passed 3 times its own ADR, and we actually should be looking for a potential peak formation high to form, and then actually start to look for sells. So if you ever find yourself in a situation where everything looks great, just make sure that you're measuring out the cycle of your directional bias first, just to confirm that you're not anywhere near a full cycle yet. Because this right here could very well happen to you, and you'll ask yourself, well, why was this a bad trade? I had all the confirmations, but it's still lost. This is why I would lose. Okay? So please make sure that you're checking how deep into the cycle are you. The best opportunities, guys, for this type of trading that we do on this channel is going to be to grab trade setups that are coming off of brand new cycles. Okay, not grabbing trades that are close to ending cycles. So please make sure, guys, I hope this short video brought you some value and awareness into how to avoid getting into a bad trade if these parameters are what's causing you to get into these bad trades, guys. Guys, if you like the video, please give me a like on the video, subscribe to the channel, and we will see you in the next one. Guys, if you need any more help or you like the content that we provide on this channel, come on over to the FXN Masterclass. It's available right now. What you get essentially is a lifetime membership, a full mentoring course, an advanced course. You get the Blue Summit videos, weekly Q&A sessions every Sunday, group session archives, which that by alone has about 100 hours of content, weekly analysis videos, midweek analysis videos, MT4 and MT5 indicators, a customized trading journal so you could actually journal your trades every day, and then a backtesting journal that you can use to backtest and collect all of your data. Not to mention a mentoring private chat, guys. So all the information is in the link in the description if you want to join now. We look forward to seeing you there, guys, and take care of yourselves.